Want to know how to edit your profile picture or change your profile picture in Guru.com? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change or edit your profile picture in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Guru.com website. Just simply head toward your favorite web browser and type in Guru.com, and you should be right here. Now, you can just simply scroll down a little bit and select edit profile right here. If you don't see it, you can see on the top right side your profile as well. Just simply select that and then select edit profile right here. Now, once you have selected edit profile, here should be seeing various interfaces that you can choose from. Now, since we are editing our profile, here on the left side you should be seeing your profile already. So you can just simply select this edit icon right here. Now, once you have selected your edit icon, here you can see your files. So you can just simply select browse in order to select your profile picture. So make sure your PNG or JPG image has 200x200 pixels and is under 5 MB. So you can also open up your camera, select allow, and it should work. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.